Hi everyone, it's Makayla and I'm back with another vlog. I am so excited. Today we are going to see Independiente del Valle against El Rosario Central. It's an Argentinian team, so I think it will be a lot of fun and many people are saying it will be a full stadium. Of course, like last time, I will be supporting Independiente del Valle. So I'm hoping for the score to be 2-1 with Independiente del Valle winning. However, it's always an awesome experience and I'm always happy for whoever wins. Right now, I'm just preparing my bag to go. We're going to stop on the way to grab a sandwich and some snacks like we did last time, and we're going to try and get them in the stadium again. If you would like to see more content like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It means the world to me. My eyes are so shiny. So I really hope you enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you in the stadium. Okay, so I've just arrived. We just parked. Today we didn't take taxis or buses or anything crazy. We just took the car and here I am outside the beautiful stadium. The atmosphere just walking outside right now is absolutely electric. It's meant to be packed. I've seen loads of people as well from Argentina too, so it seems like it's going to be a crazy match. I'm not really sure what to expect. I'm hopeful that my prediction will be correct and that Independiente del Valle will win 2-1, but we'll have to wait and see. I really want to see if I can interview someone, but I'm so nervous. I'm gonna try for you guys. Today we're looking at the pitch from a different angle, so we're like, it looks wet. Aquí estamos. Aquí estoy con algunos personas. A little interview there. He said that he believed that it would be 2-1 Independiente ganando, winning like I thought, so I'm really happy about that. So here we've got the band. They're so loud.
pero el equipo está bastante bien, juega bastante bien.
Sí, es difícil estar jugando todo bien y mientras no hacen goles todavía, yo tengo la fe que van a hacer una segunda mitad.
Sí, vamos a ver, que ganamos.
Eso sí. We're now in the second half. No goals yet, but I'm waiting for one. Segundo tiempo, vamos. We have a chance of a penalty. Vamos! It was so loud, that band. I'm just coming out now of the stadium and oh my goodness, my ears are ringing. They literally hurt, but it was amazing to be that close. I'm back. Honestly, it was so much fun. I'm sorry I didn't record so much speaking today, but I had the best time. There were so many wonderful people at the match and some of them recognized me from some of my content that I've made about football on TikTok, which was really crazy to me because a few people asked to have pictures and to take videos and I got really shy. It was such a cool experience. I'd definitely say it was a 10 out of 10 today. The end result was 1-0 with Independiente del Valle winning, which was the best thing ever. Let's face it, we all love to see the teams we support win. Junior Sornosa scored a beautiful penalty and it was just so amazing to watch, literally being right there when it happened. It was also such a wonderful experience to hear the band playing. They were just so emotive. They really felt the words they were saying. I was honestly mesmerized. I think I enjoyed this match more. And it was also such a cool experience interacting with people, trying to chat and, you know, get their thoughts on the matches, to learn about how long they've been supporting the team. So it was awesome. Let me know in the comments your favorite football team. I love learning more about football and this new little world. I think every day I'm liking and enjoying football even more, and the more I learn about the sport as well, it's just so interesting and enjoyable, and to see everyone coming together in unity for an event is just a wonderful thing. Anyway, I am absolutely exhausted. So I will end this vlog here, but more content and vlogs will be coming. If you like this type of video, let me know in the comments because I love making content like this for you guys and I look forward to seeing you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye.